Hi, Dean. My name's Corey. Michaela actually told me to send over this screencast over to you. Real quick, I'm just going to shoot over three free tips on how to actually get some more rankings to your website. Really drawing in a lot more quality work as well. I'm just going to browse through your site for a second. So the three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. Kind of browsing over your website here, really bringing your word count up to about 1,500 to 2,000 words, being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. Plus, you need more keywords, or excuse me, you need more content in there so that way you can fit those keywords. Those keywords are what you're actually trying to be found for. Even these images, what they're saved as, you got heater 3. You could put keywords back there. That's just going to help with your rankings even more. Now, if I go inside of a Google here and type in Delaware heating and cooling, you can do any keywords. Really, it doesn't really matter. You got ads here at the top. A lot of people have been going away with ads because they became very spammy. They came up with ad blockers as well. They do get pretty pricey at the end of the month. I've seen ads, 20, $30, anywhere from to about 140. It really depends on the area and the niche as well. So underneath the ads, we have this little map section here. Really, to get the rankings in this section is really going to deal with a lot of citations. What a citation is, just an online business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that your top competitors have. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well, so that way we're always outranking them. Underneath this little map section is going to be dealing with all the organic traffic. This is the first page of Google, and really to get there, it comes down to having that authoric content, being found for those keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just really pushing power back to it. Not all backlinks are actually created equal. If I take your URL here and actually stick it inside of Arefs, Arefs is a tool. It just lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. So it looks like you started this thing back in 2013 or so. You got 67 referring domains, which is pushing back 421 backlinks. Looks like historically you've had over 4,000. The PPC stands for pay-per-click, so it doesn't look like you're running any ads. You're getting about 131 clicks to your site every month. This is coming from these keywords. This is how you're actually being found. Coming in and seeing where these 131 clicks are actually coming from. You have your name, so it tells you your position that you're in for each keyword, the amount of traffic for each keyword, and also the volume for every keyword as well. So really coming through there, you got like heat pump cost versus gas furnace, furnace repair, Delaware, Ohio. There's a keyword there. There's 20 clicks for that one keyword, but your 12th position, so you're missing all the traffic from that. Delaware heating and cooling, there's another keyword there. So really, let me give you an example here. This is a advanced heating and cooling. I stuck them inside of Arefs. To be honest with you, they're really not ranking. Nobody's really ranking for any of these keywords. It seems like nobody in Delaware really knows what they're doing on ranking some of these things. But he does have some keywords that we'd want to grab. So there's furnace repair, Delaware, Ohio. There's 20 clicks every month. He's third position. He's only getting a click out of that, so it could be better. Delaware heating and cooling, there's 20 clicks every month. Delaware heating and air conditioning, there's 50 clicks. Air conditioning repair, Delaware, there's 30 clicks every month. Best HVAC companies in Delaware. So what we'd want to do, HVAC contractors, Delaware. So we'd want to come through and find these keywords, and even if we go through multiple different sites to find more keywords, but the amount of traffic of volume that we're getting from each keyword, ideally we like to be around 15-20% in drawing that traffic. So finding the keywords, making sure you're in a good position so that way you can get a good traffic from those keywords. So really you're getting about 130 clicks to your site every month. What would an extra 130 clicks of quality keywords of traffic come to your site do for you? But anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over and think that I might have a few tricks on my sleeve, feel free to reach back out to me. I love to put a free custom game plan together for you, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. If you want to give me a review, I like reviews on as well. Thank you.